You are too beautiful to be begging online. Go to work. Go to work for money. Sitting on the camera to beg. Go to work. You are young. Stop making noise online. Begging for whale. You will lose your mind.
Whale.
Begging. Whale. Lion. Whale. Go and look for a job. Young generation. Kupeana kuma usiku na kuomba online.
Thank you.
You online. Go and beg now. Useless generation.
Lion, madam, lion.
Lion. From where? From Africa. Ancestors, go to the forest and bring a lion for this girl.
Snipe lion.
Have a lot of lions in the forest. Can somebody go to the forest and bring a lion for this girl?
Snipe lion. Snipe lion.
Snipe. With an elephant, giraffe, everything. She's looking for a lion. We have a lot in Africa, a lot. Can somebody go and bring a lion?